Fine. And I've been just there. Why do you do groups? Only two boys are there. Now, your name, Nakuda. Now, with the first name, I am Rita. Rita. Okay, I'm Rita. I love English teaching is my passion. What do I like? English teaching, which is my passion. Your name, what do you like? So we will go to everything. I like to paint and draw. Very good. Name and what do you like? My name is Kavita and I like to sing. Wonderful. Very good. What's the name? And what do you like? My name is Kavita. My passion is to communicate with everyone. Oh, excellent. Oh, wow, excellent. Very artistic. Boys, come back, boys, because I cannot read.
My name is Chandra and listen to you.
Great.
I'm also normally I like to communicate with children. My name is Sundar. I like to play cricket and painting.
I am Dilip. I always want to learn English and communication behavior. I am following the learning channel.
Wow, great, excellent.
I am Deepa Jyoti and I like to sing.
My name is Anand. My name is Saurabh Kumar and I like to learn new things. Myself, I like to teach. I like to get drawing.
My name is Manoj and I like to